so tight. It was dark and overcast. With long grey hair, eyes that stared through me like I was glass. I asked, where are you going to? He said, I'm the wind, I'm just blowing through. He lit up a cigarette and began to talk. See, the doctors told me that my body won't hold me, my lungs are turning black. Been lucky strikes full since I was at school. There ain't no turning back. You can't tell me how long I've got. Maybe months, maybe not. So I'm taking this bike and I'm riding to New York. 'Cause I wanna see my granddaughter one last time. Hold her close and feel her time, heartbeat next to mine. To see my son and the man he's become, tell him I'm sorry for the things I've done. I'd do it if I had to walk. I'm taking this bike and I'm riding to New York.